All right, guys, we're going to another cool place. We're going to Wild Sheep right here on the Snake River, Hell's Canyon. We're in Idaho. Friends at Killgore Adventures checking on us. Dropped us off here on the Snake River. We're in Hell's Canyon, Idaho. You're watching the Xcorps, baby. Jason Lazo. We're on the Snake River in Idaho, baby. Hell's Canyon. Doing a little resistance training against the current. It's great. We're at Sturgeon Rock, kind of out in the middle of the whole thing. Big, deep, like giant underwater crevice under this thing, bro. It looks like it's at least 15 feet, maybe 30. Big fish down here. They don't bother you though, unless you throw a big hunk of salmon in front of them, which I hope they don't think I am. Yeah, I want to say thanks to our friends at Killgore Adventures for setting up this killer camping trip on the Snake River. We're floating out here, doing a little training against the current. Awesome. Tents rolled up, everybody, but it's not over because we're waiting for Killgore Adventures to come get us again. This is one of our prime destinations you're looking at behind me of our whole entire tour across country. It's Hell's Canyon, baby.
Yeah, baby! Woo!
Xcorps, what's up? We are right at the base of Devil's Mountain, 7th Devil in the Canyon mountain range here in Hell's Canyon, Idaho. This is about 9,000 feet deep right here to the bottom. Pretty sick, man, Hell's Canyon.